How do I convert a PIL image into a numpy-ndarray? How do I convert a PIL image back and forth to a numpy-ndarray so that I can do faster pixel-wise transformations than PIL's pixel axis allows? I can convert it to a numpy-ndarray via. But how do I load it back into the PIL image after I've modified the array? pic.putData isn't working well.
You're not saying how exactly putData is not behaving. I'm assuming you're doing. This is because putData expects a sequence of tuples and you're giving it a numpy-ndarray. This will work, but it is very slow. As of PIL 1.1.6, the proper way to convert between images and numpy-ndarrays is simply, although the resulting array is in a different format than yours, 3D array or rows columns RGB in this case. Then, after you make your changes to the array, you should be able to do either pic.putData, pics, or create a new image with image.fromArray, pics.
Open I as an array, do some stuff to I, then convert it back to an image. Source, filter numpy images with FFT, Python. If you want to do it explicitly for some reason, there are PIL2Array and Array2PIL functions using getData on this page in correlation.zip.
I am using PIL 4.1.1, the successor of PIL, in Python 3.5. The conversion between PIL and numpy is straightforward. One thing that needs noticing is that PIL stylem is column major while numpy stylem 2R is row major. However, the function image.fromArray already takes this into consideration. That is, a2m.size equals m.size and a2m.mode equals m.mode in the above example. We should take care of the HXWXC data format when processing the transformed numpy arrays, e.g. do the transform m2r equals np.rollAxis, m2r, 2, 0, or m2r equals np.transpose, m2r, 2, 0, 1, into CXHXW format.
You need to convert your image to a numpy array this way.
Convert numpy to PIL image and PIL to numpy.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.